And Aaron here. I ran some of your data, and I want to show you just a couple key points. I don't want this to be a distraction from our board retreat coming up, but I do want it just to cast some hope and inspiration for the future. So right here, this graph just shows us our giving over the past couple years. So it looks like we had a record-breaking year in 23, dipped a little in 24. 25 is going to be low because we're halfway through the year. So don't let that discourage you. Total number of donors have gone down, which makes sense that our total number of dollars have gone down. I mean, if you look, it's almost the exact same graph. So there's a correlation between the number of donors we have and the dollars of donation we receive. Okay, donor lifetime value. This is basically over a donor's lifetime, how much are they on average donating? It's around $3,400. So this yellow line is $5,000 and above. This is really the line that we want to focus on. Second line being this dark blue one here. These are the people that are going to give the largest amounts. Average donation amount. Anyway, okay, so we're not going to get bogged down in those details, but here's a couple graphs I want to give you. This is donation growth. So again, this yellow, 5,000 above, this dark blue, $1,000 to $5,000 range. If we look at this 2023 line, donors who gave $5,000 above, there are 14 of them, and they gave $74,000. Okay, so 14 people are giving 30% of our budget in 2023. In 2024, dropped a lot. They gave $34,000, and it was 10 people. And then we actually see a nice increase this year, and we're not even done with the year. But there's 9 donors. They're just giving more money. So we're on a good trajectory for this year. But here's what I want to show you. If I go up here and change from donation to donor, we had 14 donors here, 10 donors here. So we lost 4, maybe more if different people change categories. Now we're down to 9. So using this data, we know there's a way for you to find out who these 14 are and who those missing 4 or 5 people are, and to develop those relationships. I'm going to go to one other graph here. This is, well, that's acquisition. I want to go to lapsed. This is the donation amount that is lapsed. So you can see we lost $64,000 last year compared to the year prior. On this graph, we do not want to see yellow. Here, we're down $10,000. Two donors that last year gave $10,000 that haven't given it all this year. Those are great people to contact. And if we switch over here from donation to donor, these are the actual people. 7 that we need to contact, 2 that we need to contact for this year. That's 9 people. Completely doable with your board. In between you and your board, if each board member fostered one relationship, if there's 5 or 6 people, you foster a couple, that covers all 9, spend the next amount of time here. So this shows us who to prioritize, where to start with people that are already in love with our mission. So we can jump on a live call together and dive into this deeper after the board workshop, but I just want to give you a little glimmer of hope here, take a look at some future fundraising strategy, and then part of what I'll do is I can teach you and the board, once we identify who these people are, like let's take these 7 people, how to have the conversations. What's the strategy when we pick up the phone to call them, when we sit down in their office to talk to them? That's the type of work that we do with the conversational fundraising. What questions to ask and what to listen for when they answer. So that's where we're going. Hope this is helpful. Again, don't read into this too much. We will take a look in depth at this after the board retreat, which is coming up later this month. I'm very excited to meet with you guys. And if you need anything in the meantime, of course, give me a shout. I'm here for you.